Okay.
So now you see the system has indicated there's a parking space. I want you to confirm the parking space by pushing in the little keypad on the steering wheel. It's now asking, do you want to go in backwards or forwards?
Backwards, so reverse.
Right, so reverse. Engage reverse for me, please, on the gear lever. Take your hands off the steering wheel, your feet off the pedals, sit back and relax, and let the car take over.
I don't know how to trust it. I don't know how to trust it. I don't know how to trust it.
Just sit back and relax. Don't brake, don't accelerate, don't steer. The car will do everything for you.
This car's a better driver than I am. Look at that.
She will do everything for you.
This is how I know I have trust issues. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And she's doing an amazing job. Stop, 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 stop. Oh, she's
And she's done.
I love you, Mercedes-Benz.